Hello students, welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will discuss about the limitations or drawbacks of octet rule. So we have already discussed about the octet rule and its definition. So যিকোনো এটা এটমৰ valence cellত 8 electron occupy কৰা যিটো capacity হেতুকে কোৱা হয় octet rule. But there are some limitations because of which each and every element does not follow the octet rule. The first limitation was what? The incomplete octet of the central atom. Kisuman molecule form korute central atom to valence cellot 8 electron nathake. But this type of molecules exist although their octet is not completed. Second point to hoise molecules with expanded octet. In this type of molecules, there are more than 8 electrons around the central atom. Third point was molecules with odd electrons. Kisuman molecule form korute central atom bilakot odd number electron thake aru hihoteo ki nokore octet rule to fulfill nokore. Fourth point hoise does not explain the shape of the molecule. So octet rule ketiyao amak molecule etar geometrical shape to explain nokore. So these are some limitation of octet rule. So ami eta first point to discuss korim, that is the incomplete octet of the central atom. So now we will see which molecules form the incomplete octet of the central atom. So octet rule could not explain the stability of molecules having incomplete octet. So jonbilak molecules ot incomplete octet thoka atoms thake hihote ki koribo nware stability explain koribo nware. So the examples of molecules which show incomplete octet of the central atoms are what? Lithium chloride, beryllium hydride, boron trichloride, aluminum trichloride, beryllium chloride, etc. Okay. See the formation of beryllium chloride molecule. See, this is the beryllium atom and I am drawing the Lewis dot structure of beryllium and it has 2 electrons in its valence shell. And this is the chlorine atom and it has 7 electrons in its valence shell. So during the formation of beryllium chloride, you can see that the beryllium is the central atom here and this chlorine are 2 surrounding atoms. So after combining these atoms, they will form molecule like this. So beryllium e chlorine or logot electron share kori edal single bond form koribo. Jodi swa chlorine or octet to complete hoise that it has 8 electron. This molecule can be exist but this central atom that beryllium does not follow the octet rule. So beryllium or jodi valence shell to sao etia yat kiman electron ase, that is 1 2 3 and 4. So it has only 4 electron in its valence shell. A molecule to central atom beryllium e octet rule to follow kora nai. That is why it is known as the incomplete octet of the central atom. Aru a property to konbilak atoms e dekhai, especially those elements having less than 4 valence electrons. This is another example, that is lithium chloride. Lithium e ki koribo etia yar valence shellot only 2 electron carry koribo. That is lithium chloride আৰু লিথিয়ামে ক্লোৰিনৰ লগত এনেদৰে সিঙ্গল বন্ড ফৰ্ম কৰে সো লিথিয়ামৰ ভ্যালেন্স শেলত এতিয়া কেটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন থাকিব that is 2 সো লিথিয়াম ক্লোৰাইডো ভ্যালেন্স শেলত 8টা ইলেক্ট্ৰন অকুপাই নকৰে but this type of molecules exist the another example is what boron trichloride so boron এও তিনটা ক্লোৰিনৰ লগত ইলেক্ট্ৰন শেয়াৰ কৰি পিনি বন্ড ফৰ্ম কৰে যদি চাও বৰণৰ ভ্যালেন্স শেলত only 6 ইলেক্ট্ৰন আছে আৰু ইও কি কৰা নাই অক্টেট ৰুলটো ফলো কৰা নাই so these are such type of molecules which contain incomplete octet of the central atom যদিও হিহঁতৰ ভ্যালেন্স শেলত 8টা ইলেক্ট্ৰন নাই but তথাপি হিহঁত কি কৰে exist কৰে so this is the exceptional case of octet rule second limitation to ki hoise molecules with expanded octet so in these molecules there are more than 8 electrons around the central atom so octet rule could not explain the stability of molecules having expanded octet so junbilak molecules or central atom to 8টাতকৈ বেছি ইলেক্ট্ৰন ক্যাৰি কৰে হিহঁতৰ কি নকৰে stability to octet rule explain কৰিব নোৱাৰে so this is another exception of octet rule so the molecules which show expanded octet are what PCl5 that is phosphorus pentachloride SF6 that is sulfur hexafluoride aru sulfuric acid that is H2SO4 so these are the examples of molecules which could not explain their stability having more than 8 electrons in their central atom see the phosphorus pentachloride molecule now we will draw the Lewis dot structure of phosphorus pentachloride so central atom will be phosphorus and other 5 chlorine atom will act as the terminal atom of this central atom so these are the 5 valence electrons of phosphorus atom and these are the 5 chlorine atoms and these are the 5 chlorine atoms in which all the atoms are shared like this okay and after sharing of electrons they will form a single bond like this so now see phosphorus has formed 5 bonds that is 1 2 3 4 and 5 and each bond has shared how many electrons 2 so phosphorus valence shell has contained 10 electrons which is more than 8 electrons okay that means phosphorus does not obey the octet rule যেহেতু এই মলিকুলটোত সেন্ট্রাল এটমটোৱে 8টা ইলেক্ট্ৰনতকৈ বেছি ইলেক্ট্ৰন ক্যাৰি কৰিছে তথাপিও হিহঁতে কি কৰে বন্ড ফৰ্ম কৰে and they exist okay so this is the second limitations of octet rule this is another example in which the central atom contains more than 8 electrons. So here you can see that sulfur has 6 bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and their total number of valence shell electron will be what 12 This is the sulfuric acid molecule in which the central atom sulfur has contained 6 bonds between them, and therefore their total valence electron will be 12. Next limitation to hoise molecules with odd electrons. So octet rule could not explain the stability of molecule having odd number of electrons. So examples are what? Nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. So in such type of molecules, the central atom, that is nitrogen, contain odd number of electrons, and it does not follow the octet rule. So this is the example of nitric oxide molecule. So if you draw the Lewis-Dot structure, then you can find that nitrogen has one single electron here. So all we know that nitrogen has 5 electrons in its valence shell, and I have drawn this 5 electron like this. And oxygen contains 6 electrons in its valence shell. So oxygen will share this 2 electron and complete its octet. And see, nitrogen has only 7 electrons in its valence shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And this is the odd electron. So it does not follow the octet rule. Since the central atom's valence shell is not completed with 8 electrons, therefore it is the exceptional case of octet rule. Here ki hoise a nitrogen tor octet to satisfy one nine, but still this type of molecule will exist. Another example is what? Nitrogen dioxide. If you count, then you will get that the central atom nitrogen has also odd number of electrons, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It does not explain shape of molecules. So it fails to explain observed shape and geometry of molecule. So octet rule to amak jikono eta molecular geometrical shape to explain korat help nokore. So yat octet rule to completely failed hoy. For example, water molecule has band shaped structure, or you can say that it has V shaped structure. But by drawing the Lewis-Dot structure or using the octet rule, we cannot explain the geometrical shape of this water molecule. Again, you can see that methane, that is CH4, it is also a tetrahedral geometry. And again ammonia, that is NH3, which has trigonal pyramidal structure. But using this octet rule, we cannot explain the geometrical shape of these all molecules. That is why the octet rule was failed to explain all these properties. So these are some limitations or drawbacks of octet rule. Hope you like this video. For more updates, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.